Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter number 6, Dissolution of Partnership Firm. As we are doing practical portion of this chapter, so open your practical number 29, your question number 29. In this question also we have to prepare realization account, partners capital account and bank account. See how many partners are in this question. There are 3 partners, X, Y and Z. 3 partners are there, and in the liability side 2 loans are given, G loan and Y loan. So Y is our partner and partner loan will be transferred to loan account. Clear? If there is any partner loan, it will be transferred to loan account, but G loan is a third party loan. It is third party loan and transferred to realization account. Clear? All the third party liabilities will be transferred to realization account, but partners loan account will not be transferred to realization account. Clear? So let's start preparing our realization account. See, first of all, our first step is to transfer various assets and liabilities. See, creditors, bills payable and G's loan will be transferred to the credit side of realization account. This is creditor, bills payable and G's loan. Clear? Will be transferred to this side. On asset side, bank will not be transferred. Debtor, stock, furniture, land and building. 4 assets are there. See, we will transfer on the debit side of realization, debtor, stock, furniture, land and building. This is our first step to transfer all the assets and liabilities. Clear? Now we will see the information given in the question. Debtors realized 29,000 and creditors and bills payable were paid at a discount of 10%. So debtor realized means asset realized. Asset realized on which side? Credit side, with the name by bank account. Asset realized. So debtors are realized 29,000. We will write over here 29,000. Creditors and bills payable are paid at 10% discount. What is the amount of creditor? 30,000. Its 10% discount is 3,000. So we will pay 27,000. 10% discount means 3,000. So 30,000 minus 3,000, that is 27,000. Clear? Bills payable are also at 10% discount. What is the amount of bills payable? That is 10,000. So 10,000 minus 10,000, 10%, that is 1,000. So we will pay 9,000 for bills payable. Clear? Our first point is done. Then next, stock was taken over by X and furniture was sold to K. Who is X? X is our partner and stock is taken over by X. 17,000. So we will write on the asset taken, for asset taken on the credit side of realization account by X capital, stock taken by X at rupees 17,000. Then next is furniture was sold to K for 20,000. Now who is K? K is third party. We are selling asset to someone else. So we will write it in the bank column. By bank, furniture was 20,000. Clear? We are selling furniture to K, and who is K? K is a third party. We are selling outside the business, not any partner is taking. So furniture value is 20,000. Then next is G's loan was paid by a check with the same amount. We are paying G loan with the check amount for the same amount. So G's loan, what was the G's loan amount? G's loan was 18,000. We are paying by check means under the name to bank. G's loan 18,000. Clear? So all liabilities are settled. 3 liabilities are in the question: creditor, bills payable and G's loan, and we have paid according to question all the 3 liabilities. Clear? Then next point is compensation to workmen by amounted 15,000. This is very important point. This is new point of this topic. Workmen compensation reserve, that is already given in the question, that is 33,000. And what is the liability for workmen compensation is 15,000. Listen very carefully. The liability is 15,000 and we are having reserve of 33,000. So the amount of liability will be transferred to first realization account like all the liabilities. Clear? If no liability is workman compensation reserve, then workman compensation reserve will be divided among partner in their all ratio. But if the liability of workman compensation reserve is given, then this liability first transferred to realization account like all other liabilities, and then we make payment. See, the liability is 15,000, so we have also to transfer workman compensation reserve 15,000 like all other liabilities. Clear? Workman compensation reserve will be transferred 15,000 and its payment will also be done in realization account with the name to bank account workman compensation liability paid 15,000. The amount of exact liability will be transferred to realization account and then payment is also made in realization account. Clear? Now there is no other point, so we have to check one thing, whether we have paid our all liabilities. We are having 4 liabilities: creditor, bills payable, GS loan, workman compensation reserve. All liabilities are paid. Clear? So the new point is workman compensation reserve. If workman compensation liability is given, then we have to transfer the same liability in the workman compensation reserve in realization account, and the same liability will be paid in realization account. Clear? Profit will be divided among partner in their old ratio. Now in question there is partner loan, Y's loan, so we will open Y loan account with the name by balance brought down. All liabilities are having credit balance, so we will write over here by balance brought down 20,000, and we will close this account with the name to bank account, that is 20,000. Clear? Loan account. Now see capital account of partner. So first of all we will write by balance brought down 75,000, 85,000. Now workman compensation reserve. See, in balance sheet workman compensation reserve is 33,000 and our liability was 15,000. We have paid 15,000 out of this 33,000. So remaining balance is 18,000. Our workman compensation reserve was 33,000 reserve and liability was 15,000. So remaining balance is 18,000 will be transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio with the name by workman compensation reserve 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. Now realization profit 49. On the debit side you can see there is no Z's capital balance, so there is a debit balance of Z's capital given in the asset side, Z's capital. So we will write to balance brought down Z's capital. Then who was taking stock? See, in our realization account X is taking stock of rupees 70,000, so it will be cross transfer. It will be on the debit side of capital account. When any partner is taking asset, it will be recorded on the debit side to realization stock taken by X 17,000, then balance to bank account, final payment, that is balance of capital account. Now last bank account. So first of all to balance brought down, that is already given on the asset side 32,000. Then we have to cross transfer where we can see the word bank. In realization account bank word is given on asset side for asset sold, that is to realization asset sold 3,47,000. On liability side we have paid liability 54,000 total, creditors and bills payable. We have paid workman compensation reserve with the name bank, so it will be here with the name realization, it is 15,000. Then we have paid XYZ capital balance 113,667, 140 something and 635. So these all are the balance of partners capital account is paid by bank, and we have also paid Y's loan in balance in Y's loan account, that is 20,000. This is our payment side and this is our receipt side. Clear? So at last both sides should be equal. Clear? So in this question there is only one new point that is related to workman compensation reserve. What is workman compensation reserve? Liability for workman compensation reserve firstly transfer to realization account. हमें कहाँ पे ट्रांसफ़र करनी है? रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट में. वी हैव टू ट्रांसफ़र इन द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. देन पेमेंट also be made in realization account. Clear? So this is our new point for this topic. Clear? I hope you all are clear with today's topic, today's workman compensation reserve and realization account, partners loan account, capital account and bank account. So practice these questions.